Scrappers, Tom from iScrap, and I want to talk about a question that I've been asked, and it's a really interesting question, and it is, what pisses me off as a scrapyard owner? So I could list off a bunch of things, and I'll start with a bunch of them. Number one, I always get ticked off when people show up when we're closing. If they don't call ahead, from there, I want to go home too. I've been at the yard for 9, 10, 11, 12 hours sometimes. They may not know that, but I'm ready to go home to my family. So when someone shows up when we're closing, that is something that ticks me off. Another thing that ticks me off, when people tell me what the prices should be, opposed to taking the prices that I have or talking about them. No one knows what my overhead is. No one knows what my expenses are. No one knows the things that I deal with on a financial side of things. They just think that, oh my gosh, scrapyards are making $1 a pound on scrap, and that's another falsity. It pisses me off when people think, oh my gosh, scrapyards are making so much money. Well, you want to know something? It takes a lot of money in equipment. Dumpsters, roll-offs, safety learning, OSHA training for the staff at the scrapyard to protect them so they don't get hurt. So scrapyards don't make $1 a pound or $100 a ton on steel. They make smaller margins than you would think, and the goal is to move volume. Other things that piss me off, when customers come in and they tell me what type of material they have, and they don't listen to my explanation on what I call the material. They don't know how I sell it. They're not a full-time scrapyard owner. So when people come in and tell me how to do my job, who wouldn't get pissed off if someone came in and told you how to do your job? Another thing, treating my employees crappy. I don't like when people come in and swear. I've had people come in and throw derogatory comments out. I don't care what type of a day you're having. Respect the people at the scrapyard, because we're here to do a job, not be your psychiatrist and take all of your BS from your outside places. Other things that piss me off as a scrapyard owner, people driving too fast. People yelling at other customers. That's happened before, where one customer's yelling at another customer, and all we have to say is calm down, there's multiple doors. Not knowing how the scrapyard works and thinking that you own the yard, which has happened to me before too, is another thing. Go in, be friendly, be kind, ask questions. Don't tell people what to do. No one reacts well from that. These are some of the things that tick me off. When people call 3, 4 times yelling at me on the phone, or they have a negative interaction at the yard and they give us a bad Google review, we tell every customer here, please review your ticket and ask questions before you leave. If you just review us online and you don't give us an opportunity to show you why and how we bought something, how is that fair? You're upset and then we get upset, and now other people don't know what actually happened. These are other things that tick me off. So hopefully this helps you learn what pisses me off as a scrapyard owner, and these are things that you can avoid when dealing with your scrapyard. Thanks for checking out this scrap video. For more exclusive scrap video content, please become a YouTube member of our channel today. Thank you, and I'll scrap you later.